Excuse my voice. And we're actually going to go to Dicasalarin, the lighthouse. Because I'm actually accompanying these girls to do some photo shoots as well. So let's have some good day.
It's time to hunt. It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
It's time to hunt.
Magkano ba?
Mamaya na kuya.
Pero magbabayad tayo sa habal, diba? Magkano?
150.
Wala akong bare, 1,000 to. Grabe. You have to ride a habal-habal or a motorcycle to actually go up there. So,
Kasama ni Juan. Kasama ni... Dito muna tayo, sir. At...
puno ba?
Kasama nito. Oh, kasama nito.
So this is where we're actually going. That's where we're going later. I hope I really have a drone to actually go with me. But let's see. Yeah. We're gonna have like a photo shoot for these girls today.
Follow me, Shop Solana Swim.
It's good. I'm gonna link down below. Yes.
So, ang dami ka ng pila.
Okay lang. Kung may drone lang kami.
Mahal ang drone.
Mahal eh. Ipon muna. For the sake of the vlog, I forgot to actually explain why we stopped earlier. We have to pay 300 pesos as an entrance. It's quite a lot, but it's fine. Yeah, it's much more peaceful than the other area. The price is just enough. If you have these kinds of peace, right? This view, the peacefulness, the quietness. 300 is okay. Yeah. With this view and that one. How the heck am I gonna cross this one without getting wet? Or without even slipping, actually. It's my concern if I get slipped and everything is not gonna turn out well. Wait. Oh. What the hell am I thinking? Oh yeah, baby. Yep. I just hope that my phone is not wet because it's in my pocket. Yes! This looks nice. That spot over there looks nice. In fairness, ano to? Guys, may kuweba. Oh yes, what is this? Okay, I found a cave. With like a passage or something. I need light. Where is this leading? It leads to nothing anyway. Why is this existing? This is actually disappointing. I thought I found something really good, but it's just like a stagnant cave with that doesn't lead to anywhere, so why?
Ganda ng sulas nito. Oo, pero...
Two hours later.
Alright, so it's like almost 5. We'll try to actually go to that place over there. We'll see if we still can. How many steps? 100?
Plus something.
Kaya?
Pag di ko na kaya, hintayin ko kayo kung saan ako titigil.
Galing mo. Ano? What up? Yo, there's another path though.
Ito yung steps lang.
Alright. My camera's about to die, so I guess I just have to meet you at the top. Well, I think that's it for today. I think that's enough footage. So, if you don't know what to do today, it's time to hunt. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click here if you want to watch some of my previous videos and click here to watch some of my playlist. Again, if you don't know what to do today, it's time to hunt. Bye!